Welcome back. There are complaints that Madgaon municipality carries encroachment drive with a hidden agenda to protect few vendors. Madgaon municipality has undertaken encroachment drive against the encroachments in municipal market, but surprisingly some of the gutters are untouched even after knowing that they are illegal. It is alleged that they have strong backing of some of the councillors.
Madgaon footpaths are full with encroachments. Day by day, the commercial capital is witnessing a rise in encroachments. Madgaon municipality continued its encroachment drive and confiscated goods. However, as soon as the encroachment drive team moves off the site, fruit and vegetable vendors are seen encroaching the footpaths again.
इलिगल गाड्या वाढत असतात आम्ही त्याला कंट्रोल करतात आम्ही काढतात एक दिवस काढल्यार दुसरे दिसा येतात त्याप्रमाणे गांधी मार्केटात सुद्धा भाजीवाले थोडे भाजी आपल्या मर्यादित लायता आणि नकळत त्यांच्याकडे भाजी चुबे जेल्ल्यानंतर रस्त्यार लायतात आमच्याकडे आम्ही डेली राउंड घेऊन सुद्धा या एन्क्रोचमेंटात तितलो कंट्रोल जायना तरी पण आम्ही सडनली रेड मारून जप्त करप हे सोयीस्कर अशें म्हाका दिसता आनी आख्या सायडीचे इलिगल गाड्या आहा ते जप्त केलेल्या उसाचे गाड्या जप्त केलेल्या.
However, it was noticed that some encroachments stand untouched. No action is taken against these illegal gardens. Market inspector says that some councillors and government officers support these illegal gardens.
20 councillors आमकां टायम टू टायम फेस करचें पडटा तो म्हणटा म्हाजो मातसो आहा रे ताजो मातसो पयर आमी पळयना पूण आमकां अशें तरी फेस करचें पडटा आमी कोणाचें नांव डिक्लेअर करपाक शकना वर हायर ऑथॉरिटी सुद्दां वयल्यान आनी कोण तरी येता ना तो असो तो ह्या पार्टीचा तो आमचो मनीस मरे आमी आमचो का तुमचो पळोवपाचें म्युनिसिपालिटी दोशी ठरयता काल पेपर आयला कित्याक दोशी आमी दोशी हे जे आमकां फोन करतात ते आमी टायम चालू आहा आमी केन्ना म्हाजें काम बंद ना.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. Chandran Ched, a name that became synonymous with cricket in Goa, has called it a day from coaching after serving for 32 years through Sports Authority of India in the state. During his coaching career, Ched produced hundreds of cricketers who have gone on to play first-class cricket for Goa. From the current Ranji team, Captain Chadab Jakati and Vice-Captain Sagun Kamath have been Ched's students in their formative days. Former Ranji cricketer Hemant Angle emphasized on Ched's speciality of encouraging the natural ability of budding cricketers.
Sports Authority of Goa's cricket coaches organized a farewell for their beloved and senior-most cricket coach Chandran Ched on Wednesday afternoon. The 60-year-old coach was felicitated on the occasion with Director of Sports V.M. Prabhudesai and Joint Director Coaching of SAG Bruno Coutinho gracing the function. Ched sir, as he is fondly called by everyone, was in tears as he treasured the memories.
By 76 I was in training. A nice cricket coaching training. Mr. Arjun Naidu, after seeing my all this activity and physical fitness training, I used to take throughout the year I took the physical fitness of my group only. That time India camp was there, Women India camp. Really I got the chance to train the India women's cricket team. And from there I got actually what is the coaching and how we should do the coaching, that full knowledge I got from Sir Arjun Naidu.
He used to point out what his natural abilities were and he never touched them. Nowadays, coaching means changing. That's what we are learning, that's what we are seeing elsewhere. That my mark has to be there on that cricketer. He was doing this, now I have told him to do that. He never changed anybody. He just went on with his natural abilities and saw to it that his natural abilities, what a cricketer possessed, flowered.
You have made my cricket career as well as coaching, and I will be always thankful to you. Sir, Ched has spread a cricket structure all over Goa, and I hope everybody will believe in this. We never had a cricketing structure in Goa. Since Sir was there, he had coached right from Pendem to Kankana and every part of Goa.
The Ched could immensely contribute. As a lot of speakers said, whatever Goan cricket is today, I would like to give 70-75%, maybe 80% credit to Chede for his very strong foundation, for his very scientific coaching, very methodical coaching. And as Hemant said, he was walking cricket, talking cricket, sleeping cricket, breathing cricket. Cricket has been his soul and his heart and his mind.
For Chede sir is all the best for him in whatever he does and whatever he will do.
Our video journalist from Kampal, Dinesh Karpe.
Salgaocar Football Club have played an important part in development of Brandon Fernandes, who is now interesting English clubs and currently undergoing trials at Leicester City. Salgaocar Juniors coach Augustine Antao says Brandon's progress will inspire the other talented boys from the Vasco-based club, which has been hailed as a nursery of football talent in Goa.
Brandon was with Salgaocar Football Club until his talent was recognized for advanced training with the South African Football Academy. Brandon is now in demand in England with Reading and Leicester City offering him trials.
Brandon was with us right from the age of 12 in 2006 with the Salgaocar Sports Club, played for in the youth teams of Salgaocar, and he played for India along with Alvin Gomes, Shilton, Malden, and it was his parents who supported him, and he got a good opportunity to be trained in South Africa.
Salgaocar junior coach Augustine Antao believes Brandon's elevation to an English Premier League prospect will be a huge motivation to young footballers.
As a result, he has motivated other youngsters from Salgaocar Sports Club who has been in the India camp now. And I wish him all the best, and we as coaches partly involved with him were at one time sure that he will definitely play for India and even at the English Premier League. That's all. We wish him all the best.
A reporter from Kurtori, Samir Bhatt.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa, or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.